Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here and I just have a little Etsy update. So I have a couple of new kits in my shop. Well, I will have them in, I'm not sure. Steffi changed the computer around, so I'm having trouble zipping the files, so the Jpegs. So I'll get the kits in the shop as soon as possible. They are based on our Easter kits that we did. They are the background fabrics that have been slightly, I've got fabric on the brain. Background papers, but I've taken out the Easter elements and added a few different elements. Like some of them I've added like a different border, some different sort of embellishments on them. So they're just pretty background papers. This is the document journal style. Those papers were just so pretty, it was too sad to leave them, that they could only really be used at Easter time. They need to be used all the time. So you'll find similar elements but with additions and things taken out. So this is these are the 8-page document kits, and because I used the base of those kits, I always charge a little bit less for these, because although it took me, I've been mucking around with it all day, it still takes less time than doing it from scratch. So these are the pages. They're super pretty and they would be gorgeous also printed on fabric as well. So just wanted to go through and show you those. And this one, just double checking there's nothing Easter there, and that one's one of my favorites because I love all of that, and I love this one as well, really pretty. Favorite colors, beiges and blues and a little bit of red, really nice. So that's the document style one. I just show you one of the pages just folded over. Isn't that gorgeous? Just very plain and pretty. So you can use them to back other more embellished pages, or they can be standalone pages on their own. This is the horizontal kit, because we had two, one document and one horizontal. And so I'll just slowly show you the pages on screen. Yes. This one, just love them. So pretty. They look like they've been painted on a wall, you know, like fresco-y sort of look, which is my favorite type of thing. Love frescoes. That one. So very subtle changes like the lace and things on them. And that one. And that is the last one, and I'll just show you them folded over, because that's how we'll really be looking at them, won't we? Oops. So there and there, super pretty pages. I won't show you them all. So that is my little Etsy update. We are slowly going to be working on some more things. We've been a bit slack in that department, but we're going to get back into it. So I hope you like them, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.